Hey everyone, in the previous video we already talked about how to design. Now we're going to the XML language to make our design into the Android application. Now you just need to create new Android Studio project, and I will give the name it's Tem2. Okay, next, and we're going to use the API 16, and next with the empty activity, next, and finish. Now just waiting for the moments for the Gradle build. Once Gradle build has finished, you just need to copy your assets. Just go to desktop assets and select all of them. Okay, and copy and go to res and pass into the drawable. Cool. Now you will have so many items for the PNG here. Good. The first one we're going to we're going to value and styles, and here no action bar, and after that we're going to the color, and I want to change the status bar, the color of status bar. Now the color of status bar is A, and we're going to back Android to paste like this. Cool. And then we're going to the text and remove the text view, and here we're gonna to setting the background, which is the background is, let's take a look here, FA and FA. Okay, now you can preview here. So this is your home page. Okay, so right now we just need to go to the design, and I will take a look for the button here. Okay, and I will get the margin top and margin left, and back to the text, and here we're gonna to preview like this, and we just need setting the background, which is the item 1. Okay, and we're gonna to setting the width and height. So the width and height is 156 dp, and the height is okay, and back to the design, and setting the margin top is 16 and margin left is 16. Okay, and after that this is the button item 1. Okay, and I want to copy this button, just copy and paste, and once you copy you can move this button. Okay, this is button number 1, and this is button item number 2, and this is item 2. Okay, and we're going back to design, and here we're gonna to remove and setting the margin right and margin top 16, and this is 16. Okay, but as you can see, the design has different from the sketch, because the width of mobile that we use right now is different from the Nexus 4. Maybe if you are using the Nexus S, I think it's a little small, but the design is different. So we still use the Nexus 4 and just keep like this. Maybe you want to make the margin 24 and 24, and this is 24, and this is 24. Okay, I think it's little very good for right now. So after that, I want to copy and paste and move into here, and here we change this ID, which is 3, and here we change it the background, which is 3, and just remove and remove. Now we just need setting margin top and margin left. In the margin top is 24 and in the margin left is 24. Okay, so the last one, let's take a look at this. I will okay, so just make sure that the ID is btn item 3, 2 and 1. Item 2. Okay, this is 1, 2 and 3. Now I want to go back to design to copy and paste this button and move here like this, and this is the btn number 4, and this is the btn number 4, and remove and remove, and setting again for the margin constraint layout. This is the 24 and this is the 24. Okay, and this is your current design. Now we're going to change this ID to the btn item number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Now we just need to test it into the application, which is emulator. So just run this application into the Nexus 4. Okay, Nexus 4, which is APA 26. Well, so far our design, it looks like beautiful, isn't it? So whenever you click this stem, it's going to the another activity. Well, we need to create the another activity. So just stop your application and go to Java and click right, and after that you need to go to activity with the empty activity, and this is for the temp activity. Okay, and finish. Now creating for the another activity, so just wait for the moments. Okay, I think it's ready. So we're going to the activity temp.xml, and you will get like this. Firstly, we're gonna to setting the background 4A, 4A and 4A, just like this. This is the default of the background. Okay, and we're going back to the design and looking for the button, for the back button, and going back to the text and remove the text and change to background drawable back button. Okay, and once you're setting it, you're gonna to resize, which is 50 and 50 dp. Oops. We're going back to the design and setting the margin top and margin left. The margin top, it should be 24, and the margin left, it should be 24. Cool. Now the second one is designed for the button, so we're going back to the text and setting the background to drawable save button. In the save button, we're gonna to setting the width and height dp, and this is 55 dp, and we're going back to the design, and here we're gonna to setting the margin left and margin right and margin bottom. The margin bottom is 32, sorry, and this is 32, and we're gonna to setting the layout width to match parent, but here should be 83. Here is 83, and here we're gonna to setting 83. Okay, but I think the layout height should be bigger, maybe 50, 58. Okay, so this is the basic template for the details. Sorry, 55 dB. Okay, and now this is the back BTN, and this is save BTN. So back BTN to back to the home page, and save BTN to make your theme going live into your mobile. Okay, well, you already have the home pages and you already have the theme activity. So in the next video we will create with the Java. So in this video it's all about the XML. Well, I think it's useful for you and I hope it's so. Thanks everyone. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. Bye bye. See you in the next video.